Good morning. It's my last day here. Well, actually, it's not really a whole day, but it's Thursday, and we are leaving today from Brazil. So I'm going to give you a tour. We're starting with the upstairs, because that's where my camera was. So I don't know how this looks, and I just got out of the shower and kind of just woke up. So let's go for it. This is my room. It's kind of a mess at the moment. Pretty bad, sort of. That's where I would hang clothes if I still had them unpacked. This is the door to the bathroom. And then here's shelves. And then a cord to my curling iron. Bye. Okay, here's a door. We're going to go out there. We have to be really quiet because people are asleep. And quite frankly, they do not like to be woken up. This is my favorite chair. I come over here and I read. My grandma put it up just for me because I feel special. This is a little window. The green is the backyard. The sand is outside the wall. And there, I don't know if you can see it too well, but there's flowers. And then there's the road. You see the road? And other houses. No wall. There's walls everywhere. So, moving on. Oh, gotta show you the beach. The beach. Oh yeah, the sun's kind of bright today. Well, it is always. So here's the pool. I know, it's great. We have a pool and then the beach. That's a little cookout place. We eat lunch out here, actually. It's quite nice. Very sunny. Okay, let's see. This is JJ's room. And my uncle's. It's kind of messy. JJ, he's asleep. So let's keep going. Here's the other way to the bathroom, it's the main way. I have the scenic route. Okay, this is downstairs. This is the arts and crafts room. Down the stairs. These are rooms where people are sleeping, so we're not going to go in. Hola! Let's see, what else? This is the kitchen. It's really pretty. It's kind of a mess, though, too. Kitchen. Here's the fridge. Oh, this is great. You know how in America ice machines do it themselves? Well, here, this is automatic. You have to turn it. And that's what they call automatic. And that's a frozen beer. Okay. This is the cooler where we keep a bunch of drinks, and here's a really loud laundry machine. Yeah, real fun. Dirty clothes. This is the freezer, a big freezer. Here's a broken fridge where we just put stuff. And then there's the bathroom. This is actually supposed to be a maid's quarters, but the maid doesn't live here, so we just use it for that. Oh, it's wet. Let me get shoes. Shoes. Those shoes. It's my mom's. I'm going to steal them. So put the shoes on. And here we go. Well, it's kind of wet out here because sprinklers are just on, but we'll make our way through. Let's see. Well, you see grass. Let's see. Over here is a wall. And all the way up there is a really, really, really loud at night windmill. Keeps a lot of people up when it's on. It's not on at the moment. Over here is where the dogs stay when they're let out. It's all sand, and you can't grow grass here, barely, because they're always here. Hey, there's a little bit of grass. This is Sabrina, who's running away. Hi, Sabrina. Come. There's 3 dogs here. Sabrina is the only girl. Let's see. This is a workshop at the far end over this way. And then the garage. That's over here's where the buggy is, and over here's where the car is. And over here, yellow with the tree. Yeah, it's a tree. Ha. It's actually a coconut tree. We're gonna zoom in on that real quick. We did coconuts last night. Coconuts. Oh look, this is Blake. Hey Blake. And then inside there is Rocky. He's the youngest. And very, very playful. Hey, there we go. We can see him kind of. Rocky. Hi, Rocky. And Blake's team. Okay. Great for the camera. Thank you. Here's some flowers. They're pretty. This big pretty flowers. Flowers. Okay, bye flowers. This is the house. Well, from the side view. Over here is a house that's being built. And the people get up at like 5 in the morning and they work. So, yeah. Let's go see. There's Grandpa again. Here's the one who's talking about beer. This is Eden's bike. And this is where he lives. He's like the groundskeeper here. And there's Eden. Hola. Hey. Okay. Well, this is the bell you ring to get in. I'm not going to ring it because my grandpa has a hose and he'll hose me down. I just took a shower. So, we're going to end it there, I think. Oh wait, this is pretty. This is another view of the house. So pretty. Oh. And a basketball hoop that they put up for JJ because JJ's a little pride. He needs basketball. Okay. Oh look, he's getting the dogs to go in. Well, we got Sabrina. Blake is still out. Oh, there he goes. And close the door. Okay. Well,